Right, here we go. This is actually take 2 of 354 reading pie charts because I'm stupid and I didn't read the question properly on one of the questions and therefore I got it wrong. This is a lesson that you've got to learn. You've got to read questions. Okay, so let's try and read this time. 30 people were asked what their favourite fruit is, so I'll put the 30 at the bottom. Here are the results. So there's the results table. I've got this pie chart set up. Complete the pie chart. Click on one of the colours in the key, then click the sector to colour it. So these are all sectors. So let's have a look. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 sectors in there, right? Now if there's 10 sectors and there's 30 people to put inside, I just divide this by 10, and what I now know is each of these sectors has 3 people inside. So there's 3 people in every single sector, and now I can fill in the pie chart. So it doesn't matter where I put them now. So bananas is 12, so I need 3. Let's put in there, banana, 3, 6, 9, and 12. So that's the 12 bananas. Apples is 6, so I've got apple is 3, 6 apples. Grapes is just 3, so there's the 3 grapes. And oranges is 9, so orange, orange, and orange. And on the MyMaths, I just click on the colour and then click in the sectors on the pie chart, which is next to it. Okay. What fraction of these people chose orange? Well, we can see orange is 3. There's 3 oranges out of the 10 sectors altogether, so it's 3 out of 10 sectors. You could have went with 9 out of 30, so if I went with 9 out of 30, what I would have to do then is divide it by 3 to get down to the 3 over 10, because it does say give your answer in its in the simplest terms. Alright, so that's all that one is. Right, question 2. Tom did 2 surveys to find out the different drink preferences of adults and children. So this is the adults and this is the children. He asked what they like to drink with their breakfast. Okay, there's 24 adults in this thing and there are 70 children over here. So just looking at the pie chart, the numbers is just next to the total. So before we go any further, let's fill the numbers in. So on this one I can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sectors for this pie chart. So if I get the 24 and divide it by 8, then 24 divided by 8 is 3. So there's 3 people, 3 adults in each of these sectors. Okay, so I'll just fill them in. 3s. For the children's pie chart, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sectors. So I take this 17 divided by 10, and what that tells me is there's 7 kids in every sector. So 7s all the way around. Okay. 7, 7, a 7, and a 7. Alright. How many adults chose coffee? So if I look at the pie chart, I'm actually coloured in as well. So I've got tea here, and tea. Coffee are just these 2 over here. So how many adults chose coffee? So adults, coffee is 3, 6. What fraction of children chose water? So water's over here, and the water sectors are this one, this one, this one, and this one are all water. So what fraction of the children chose water? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So children and water is 4 out of the there was 10 now, wasn't there? There was 10, so that's equal to 2/5. So just dividing them both by 2. And that's one I got wrong last time because I didn't read it. I was caught out because it was underneath the adults pie chart, so I just assumed it was with the adults, but if I read it properly it just says children for that one. How many children chose orange? So oranges for the children are these ones, so oranges, oranges, and oranges. How many children chose orange? So 7, 14, 21 oranges. So we've got children, oranges, was 21 there. And which group, A or C, had the most tea drinkers? So the tea for the adults are these 2. So tea is equal to 14. There's 14 tea drinkers in the children. And the tea in this one is 3, 6, 9. So there's 9 tea drinkers there. So which one, adults, or the most tea is actually drunk by the children. Okay, and that's it for interpreting pie charts. Big two key important notes. The first important note is obviously look at your pie chart, see how many sectors there are, and then just split the kids into, or the people into how many sectors, or the fruits into how many sectors there is. Okay, so that's my split. And probably the most important thing that I didn't do over here, you can see, rubbish, is I didn't read the question. Just because it's underneath that pie chart, don't assume anything. You should never do that. I don't even know why I did that. Stupidity. Okay, so that's it for interpreting pie charts or reading pie charts. Good luck.